Toyota FT-4X is ready to be your cruiser across the land. It turns out that Toyota has applied for the trademark for a new generation SUV 4Active with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Now we are left scratching our heads at what vehicle the Japanese brand will apply to the name. Is the 4Active a concept or production-bound vehicle, or is it neither? And Toyota simply applied for the trademark to cover its own behind and get a hold on a name that it may want to use at some point in the future. Toyota revealed that it had filed a trademark application with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office for a completely new SUV model, the Toyota 4Active. It is not clear whether the name called 4Active will be a mass-produced car or a concept model, but it has been rumored that the new generation SUV to be launched in the U.S. market, there is a very high possibility, maybe 4Runner's brother model. Given the likelihood that the 4Active will attempt to evoke the go-anywhere attitude of the Japanese brand mid-size SUV, we are left to believe the model will ultimately surface as the production variant of the FT-4X concept. From the 2017 New York Auto Show, the boxy crossover concept sported butch looks that evoked Toyota's infamous 4Runner and FJ Cruiser SUV, but sat on the compact, unibody Toyota New Global Architecture C platform. This new generation 4Active has a different design and styling from the company's popular model Land Cruiser, and is currently under construction at the Mazda Toyota Manufacturing plant in Alabama, USA. It is reported that production will start in 2021. By the way, one of the most relevant ones is the concept crossover model FT-4X, which was unveiled at the 2017 New York Auto Show as a successor to the FJ Cruiser appearance. This model is a compact SUV model, mainly intended for outdoor use, and has a size similar to the CHR in Toyota's lineup. As you can see from the body design, it was designed to be used for outdoor and city riding for a wide range of customers, so the design is also sleek, sturdy and attractive. The FT-4X platform uses the Toyota New Global Architecture, which is also used for the current Prius, and has a 4.0-liter V6-cylinder twin-turbo engine, the highest powertrain. It seems that they are aiming for a high-power class SUV, with an output of 400 PS, or more. Competing models include the Jeep Compass, the Kia Sardos, and the Nissan Rogue Sport. However, considering the body size, it competes with the Nissan New Juke, it seems likely. The styling is very compact, but it has a slightly rugged impression, like Rankle 70, but it also has stylishness, so it looks good, not only for men, but also for women. In addition, the tire is an off-road tire of 255 by 55 R18, the wheel arch is covered with plastic, the underspoiler is orange color. It is a design that receives a quite active impression. What do you think of new Toyota FT-4X? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.